Welcome to the channel. My name is Ashish, and I am not a research analyst, not a SEBI registered research analyst. I'm making this video purely for my journaling purpose so that I can go through these videos afterwards. You may find these videos educational, I think so, but um, let me also tell you that I am a novice trader. I have I have been losing money quite a lot of times. I have blown quite a lot of accounts. This is just for journaling purpose. This is my study, like the scientists in the labs do it for themselves. So yeah, before I start, I'll just um tell again, say this again, that I am not a SEBI registered research analyst. This video is strictly for journaling purpose only. Thank you. Okay. So today was 19th of Jan, 2026. Today was a bearish day. Um, I mean, the market, the Nifty, I think you can see this. The Nifty over here was taking a support at this level over here, and there were rejections at the top. At the top of this, sorry, there were rejections on this candle. So that means the bulls were trying to push the candle in upward direction. They were trying to close it in the upward area of the candle, but they were not able to do so because the selling pressure on the candle was very strong as compared to the bulls. तो ये जो कैंडल है ना, ये पूरा जो हम बोलते हैं ना, bearish candle, these are like inverted hammers. So I thought कि if this was supposed to be a support zone, then bearish candles का होना यहाँ पे was not good. So इससे ये conviction मिलता है ना कि maybe the market is going to go like this, यहाँ से नीचे आएगा and then ऊपर जाके hit करके फिर maybe वो नीचे आएगा. As it is, we all know कि the market has not been uh, in a good phase right now because of um, all the drama that has been happening. And the lead hero of this drama is the lead actor of this drama is Mr. Donald Trump, who has been apparently married to the European Union, and in dowry he wants Greenland for himself, which the European Union is not agreeing to. So because of that drama, the markets have been in a negative sentiment for quite a long time now. Okay, jokes apart, so what happened was today, on 16th of Jan, Friday, the market closed at 2500, 25,000, and today 25,694, roughly 700. Yes, we can take it at 700, 25,700. But today it opened at 25,653. That means it was a drop of 50 points. It was opening a gap down. It was not a big gap down, but I think because of the presence of these two candles, मुझे conviction आया कि ये market नीचे आ जाएगा. I was ready to take a bearish trade only. मैं अगर bullish trades कहीं मिलते तो मैं नहीं लेता because overall market जो है वो नेगेटिव है. ओके, trade did I take today? I took Indo Pharma. Indo Pharma, so I'll just tell you what my logic was. So this is Indo Pharma's chart. We'll just switch to line chart. Okay. Line chart में you can see the market is in a negative trend, in a downward trend. Okay. And it has broken a very important uh, trend line. It has broken a very important trend line. So with with a very powerful, let's say it is a very powerful candle over here. If you can see this candle over here, you can see this candle over here. Okay, and the next day, this candle was formed on 14th. Uh, the next day on Friday, there was another candle. This candle, let's try to understand the story of this candle. Okay, this candle over here on 14th. What happened is, 14th को candle was red. मतलब the bears pushed the market to the very bottom. ठीक है, जितना वो push कर सकते थे for the day. The next day on 16th, the market opened gap up. ठीक है, gap up open होने के बाद it went all the way up. It tried to engulf the red candle from the 14th, from the previous day, but it was not able to. It was again pushed by the sellers over here. So I was pretty sure कि this candle, because of this candle, मार्केट ने वो जो रीटेस्ट बोलते हैं ना, वो हो चुका है उसका. What is retest? Market नीचे आया, it will hit here and then it will come down. Of course, this candle didn't hit over here, but yeah, like वो जो छोटा सा एक ट्रेंड आना चाहिए, वो कि अपवर्ड साइड में ट्रेंड आना चाहिए, देन ओनली रीटेस्ट होगा, वो शायद मेरे लिए ये काफी था. नाउ तो दोनों नेगेटिव मैंने बेरिश कैंडल्स, तो मुझे आज इसको शॉर्ट करना ही था. ठीक है, तो व्हाट आई डिसाइडेड वाज कि व्हाट आई डिसाइडेड वाज 14 का जो कैंडल है, इसका लो इज लोअर देन 16 का कैंडल. तो मैंने ये डिसाइड किया कि इस लो के नीचे अगर कुछ क्लोज होता है, देन आई विल सेल इट. एंड डबल कन्विक्शन if this was that low over here 178.97, एंड डबल कन्विक्शन तब आता जब ये 178.23 अगर ब्रेक करता. वाई 23 ओके 23 बिकॉज वो 14 का लो. लाइन चार्ट में दिस इज नॉट कैंडल स्टिक्स. सी, लाइन चार्ट में द लोएस्ट क्लोजिंग which the stock gave was this 178.23. So I was pretty sure I decided कि 178.97, which was the closing of 14th, उसके नीचे अगर आएगा तो I will short the market. एंड डबल कन्विक्शन तब आएगा जब उसी दिन का 14 का सबसे लोएस्ट क्लोजिंग जो है उसके नीचे आएगा, तो you know I can माने I can try to increase my profit. Okay. So now what happened today? The market uh, opened without any gap up or gap down. So what happened is कि मार्केट जो कल किसी ने यहाँ पे अगर शॉर्ट किया होगा इस एरिया में, उन्होंने पूरा यहाँ तक अगर उन्होंने होल्ड किया होगा, राइट, उन्होंने यहाँ तक होल्ड किया होगा, देन लास्ट में दे सॉ 16th के कैंडल में एट 325 they saw a bullish pattern candle, this one over here. This is a hammer candle with a doji body. It is exactly like a dragonfly type candle. So the those people who had shorted the market over here are now trying to book their profits because of this candle. They are now fearful, full of fear कि अभी market शायद ऊपर जा सकता है. Because of that profit booking, market ऊपर गया. Okay. मुझे पता था कि market नहीं जाएगा because market always needs a good reason sometimes कि it should go up. But as we saw earlier, the market is in a downtrend. You know, it has been in a downtrend since 21st October, 23rd October, I'm sorry. तो कोई रीजन तो बन नहीं रहा है. ग्लोबल मार्केट्स की भी बैंड बजी पड़ी है. तो the first candle I saw was green. That was a profit booking candle from the previous day. The next candle was a red. यहाँ पे conviction मिल गया. So I entered on the third candle, which was a red candle. Red candle में भी जो buyers were trying to push this candle in the upward direction, but they were not able to do so. They were not as strong as the seller. ठीक है, इतना छोटा सा presence with respect to the presence of the sellers. ठीक है, and the volumes are also pretty good. ठीक है. सो वहां से यहाँ पे मैंने समवेयर अराउंड योर 179.32 समवेयर अराउंड योर मैंने शॉर्ट किया. एंड देन आई डिसाइडेड कि नाउ ऑब्वियसली अभी शॉर्ट किया है तो स्टॉप लॉस और प्रॉफिट भी डिसाइड करना है, राइट. तो मैंने यहाँ पे शॉर्ट किया था एंड मैंने इधर तक और इसके ऊपर समवेयर अराउंड हियर. ठीक है. रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो वाज पैथेटिक इन दिस. क्योंकि आई थिंक इफ यू वांट टू मेक मनी you should always you should always what is this one? Why is it showing like this? I'm sorry. मैंने मैंने शॉर्टिंग वाला ये लगा लॉन्ग पोजीशन पे ये what do you call this widget लगा दिया. But the tool it should have been on the shorting position. ठीक है. The risk to reward ratio on this stock was 1.64. Why I chose this point over here? Because I'll show you it. Mhm. Switch to 1 minute, 1 day time. ठीक है. तो ये जो पॉइंट है ना यहाँ पे, this one, ये कहाँ से निकला? This is this point. तो I was looking for a point in this area itself. यहाँ पे एक ऐसा प्राइस लेवल जहां से मार्केट ने मतलब रिटर्न दिया है. इट रिटर्न एंड दिस कैंडल ओवर हियर is like dominating candle. It is a very powerful candle. It had it dominated and it the previous two candles उसने पूरा engulf कर दिया है उनको. It even tried to engulf the third candle as well over here. और इन तीनों कैंडल की खास बात ये है कि ये गैप डाउन हो के वो खुला है, बट स्टिल इस कैंडल है, तो आई थॉट कि इसका जो लोएस्ट पॉइंट है, इसके नीचे सब इस पॉइंट के नीचे सब बायर्स बैठे हैं, तो मे बी मार्केट उधर नीचे जो हमारा जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे आज का पे उतना नीचे तक आ सकता है. So that was my story which I built, and that was my story which I built. I had put a stop loss over here. जो दिन का हाई था उसके टॉप में मैंने यहाँ पे कीपिंग 5 पैसा 10 पैसा का बफर मैंने यहाँ रखा था. तो आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग टू द मार्केट टू गो all the way from this price to this price. Now what happened is जब मार्केट सी मार्केट goes always from in a downtrend it will make this was high, this is low, then it will make a lower high, and then it will make a lower low, then another lower high, and then another lower low. This is how a downtrend occurs. This is how a downtrend is formed. तो अब क्या हुआ इस केस में भी the market came down from that point to here, फिर एक ऊपर गया, and then it came over here. Now, what I saw was there was a profit of um, around 2 rupees which I was getting. तो मैंने और बोला 2 rupees तो छोड़ो, let's not take the absolute values because absolute values मतलब differ वो it differs for every other stuff. मैंने यहाँ पे 1.29%, 1% मोर देन 1% का प्रॉफिट इस पे बुक किया. I was able to see more than 1% of profit. So I decided to book it over here on this candle. Um, and it was a very good trade. I was happy with the trade, but I think I should learn to hold my trades because the more you learn to hold your trades, the more you are going to end up making bigger profits, right? ये पूरा उसी पॉइंट तक आया जहां पे हमने लाइन बनाया था. Then it also tried. Um, it didn't try. I mean, it also took support on that level in on many occasions. Like, see, ये वाला this one is a Marbuzo candle. Like we said, like we saw कि इस एरिया के नीचे बायर्स बैठे हुए हैं. ये मार्बुजो कैंडल एंड इट इज ऑलमोस्ट एन एनगल्फिंग. तो यहाँ पे हैमर दिस वन इज ऑल्सो बुलिश एनगल्फिंग. वहाँ पे ठीक है. द स्टोरी वाज गुड, द ट्रेड वाज ऑल्सो गुड. I am happy with the trade, but the lesson that I learned today is that first of all I should have waited for this candle to close below this line जो मैंने डिसाइड किया था. सेकंड, I should have I should have पेशेंस टू होल्ड माय ट्रेड. जितना टारगेट मैंने डिसाइड किया था उतने के लिए आई शुड हैव हेल्ड ऑन टू माय ट्रेड. थर्ड, अगर मैं यहाँ आ गया, मतलब अगर मेरा इतना इस पॉइंट पे रफली कितना ये यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक 2.32 का प्रॉफिट हो रहा था 1.29% का. तो टू होल्ड ऑन टू लाइक 2.65% I should have decreased my dropped my stop loss from the higher point from this high to the next lower high, so that if the market changes its trend तो मेरे को ज़्यादा loss नहीं होगा. Right. So this was three key valuable lesson that I learned from this downtrend. Hope this video is going to be helpful to you if you watch it. Um, Again, this is just strictly for journaling purpose. I am doing this for myself and my friend, and we are not SEBI registered research analyst. This is just for fun. Thank you.